Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can find and access the TikTok shop on your TikTok app. So right now, I'm using an Android phone and we will go to the Play Store. Just click search. And in here, you just have to search TikTok shop seller and install this app. So now let's open the app. So from here, you have to link your TikTok account. Just click the sign up with TikTok. Confirm your selling country. Just press continue. Once you're done logging in, we can go check the TikTok app. And from here, you should see the TikTok shop. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can find and access TikTok shop. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!